Hey Gabby.
Hello.
Gabby and I are here at, can they see Gabby? Lowe's. We have decided to paint the kitchen all black, right Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I am very excited about it. Oh, I'm not looking in the camera, but it's okay. I'm very excited about it. And myself and my design partner here, Gabby, are going to go in the store and get what we need. Right, Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah. So my design partner, Gabby and I, are here at Lowe's. We have gotten the paint things that we need. Gabby, you want to hold it up? This is for Gabby's chair. We're going to work on that today, right, Gabby?
Yeah, I don't hungry.
Right. And we also, to paint, I keep looking at the camera, to paint the cabinet doors in the kitchen, we went ahead and grabbed the tools that we need. So we will be, I'm still looking in the camera, but that's okay. I'm in the middle of the store. I'm not focused. So we will be working on getting that, at least some of it done today. Gabby, what are you doing? So we're working on getting some of that done today, right, Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the paint I will be using. It's literally the same exact paint we use on the bottom half of the cabinets. It's the same stuff. So to keep it consistent, we are using this krylon Color Max acrylic latex indoor outdoor satin. This is some really good quality paint. I love it. And it actually is easy to clean because you can even read down here, it's soap and water cleanup for metal, wood, and more. So extremely easy to use. The tools that I showed you, these are the paint brushes. I'm really going to be using these two at the top mainly, specifically this one for the little inner areas of the cabinets and trim as well. And I have my cabinet and doors foam contractor pack 6-pack rollers. And for this project, I don't really need much. So I just, oh, sorry, y'all. I just got this little mini tray roller here. This is perfect for this project that I'm going to be working on. So we are going to get started with getting this done. So far, so good. As you can see, I have done the trim on this side. Excuse the not organized pantry. But I am doing the trim just on this side because I'm going to do the pantry today. And I think maybe all of this too is also going to be painted. So it's, again, literally going to be an all black kitchen. But I am going to leave that to my husband. But now I am going to move forward and start getting this section, the indentations on the cabinet doors of the pantry painted. And now I'm going to do this side. I don't know if I'm going to do all the cabinets today, or honestly, if I'm just going to do the pantry today, and then each day per week do a different section. But you can see how it looks when I do the trim, but on here, you can see how it's going to look. And then just imagine on this cabinet, the round pulls that are on that one are going to go on the 4 doors here. So I am so excited about it. This is just going to be breathtaking to me. And I cannot wait to share with you guys when it's done. Okay, people, we are back from the store. And we went ahead and picked up, this is, again, the brand we are using. Flat black and brushed brass casual dual tone knobs. we went ahead and picked up 18 knobs to put them on. That is what they will look like. Two-tone. It has the trim in black. Brushed brass. That is what is going to go on all of these doors here. That is what we are getting ready to do right now. Play, Gabby? Well, while a 3-year-old tears the rest of my house up, most of the knobs are on the kitchen cabinets. It's really dark in here, not because of the paint, but actually because it was, as you can see, raining. So, and I just cleaned out the refrigerator, and I have this mess that I had to clean up. So now that I, for the most part, finished painting, hey Gabby, give me a minute, finished the cabinets in the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and get all this crap cleaned up so it won't be so junky looking. But the cabinets themselves look phenomenal. I am really excited. I decided to go all black. It looks so dreamy in here. And the next step, again, is just to finish up that trim, which I think I might just wait until next weekend to do. But so far, so good. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comments, and I will talk to you guys later.